Yes, people, you don't know media facts, you know. Yeah, man, I come for talk facts, man. Is what I'm trying to say? Yeah, you don't know. So come for talk about this show what Cartel just do. You understand? And we have to really talk about these people because you see what the situation I lead up to. Zine? And look what the brother have to say.
And fear. This is what Jamaica really doing to kill every other artist's career, to push one or to embrace one artist. That performance I saw was a disaster. That don't represent what is dancehall or reggae music. It's embarrassing. Reggae and dancehall is not hip-hop. And even the hip-hop artists, them, when them perform on their tracks, the vibe is way better. Let's be real. The artist is a good recording studio artist. The artist is not a live performer. And a lot of people who in this industry are not surprised by what they saw. Because they all know that the artist is not alive.
The person, you know, which is Vybz Kartel, them want to carry the genre, represent dancehall based on performance and thing, right? Couple people see the show or go on or whatever. But to me, this is one of the worst performance I ever see. This is not hate, and this is the thing. We are trying to see the representation of dancehall and when it go there in the world. You know what I try to say? And for such an artist, because Vybz Kartel is a great artist, you know what I try to say? So we wouldn't want to see this a play out like this, Zine. Because this is one youth where they are the show. Look on the reaction.
But she tell me she love me totally. She want to rub up her and I'm totally. So when this stage show when there's a book bar.
Yeah, so you realize say yo, people just there, you must sing all of them look or something there, so people are wonder yo, what is? You understand? But this is the thing, you have two Gaza vlogger. You understand? And they must set up them artists to fail. You know what I try to say? Them two brothers where you see on the thumbnail. I make them artists fail. Yeah.
So people, look on this youth name Kevin. Cause I saw the sheep them talk, you know. You see what I try to say? Cause be a crap in my chat right here, so. But Cartel show sold out. And if you look on the article, them basically them say 5,000. Some people are say yo, it's not 5,000 people. You understand? Hear me? I saw the sheep them talk. Them more loud. You see me? Cause that brother here, you know, him not no woman, you know. Him sit down in him car, different one man every day. And I chat be a crap. And look here, them not too focusing on the camera, so the sheep them stay, you know, them head move up and down. You can't even look in the camera. Me I try to show you, be a crap him talk. You understand? Because he not defend him woman. Like when I defend Cartel. You understand? Look.
A few moments later.
May I tell the people, the sheep not a brain. Hear what I say now. Just hear me say people. I say Cartel a Jamaica. One of Jamaica's biggest artists right now. Like, I don't understand, so yeah, Cartel never big. But then, that more know. Because when him talk, you know, him don't know what I say, you know. That's say him a hip and butt. You understand? So right now, I feel him. Understand? Because him don't know say it's a trap them I set him in, you know. Because Vybz Kartel can't do nothing wrong. No, him not improve. All of them look at something. Mr. Vega, show him how to do it.
Length of time to get back his health, timing. He doesn't sound good on the stage. His ad-libs are corny. He sound like a rat or a puss on a hot roof. You know, with a sun hot roof. And then the sound annoying, very annoying on the stage.
Yeah, man. Because, you see, I tell you, these Gaza bloggers and all of them look at things, they don't care about Vybz Kartel, And sometimes when a person who is a Gaza fan talk, them say them a bad mind Vybz Kartel. But at the end of the day, we all love music and we want the best for everybody. But you see, some of them, them push them artists and make feel like say everything good. You understand? And them not like failure. That is the thing. Them not like improvement. You see what I'm trying to say? Them not like improvement. So when you hear sometimes them attack, like, you wonder if them really care about the artist. Because them never would tell the artist, say, yo, this, that. I remember, Vybz Kartel a drink, he might do that. We not see my workout and all of them look at things. Because this is the thing. We not wish no bad for nobody, but we don't want out there and say, Kartel up on the stage. Although Kartel not really my artist. You understand? But him do good for the culture.
So people, this are the number 2 sheep. Vybz Kartel number 2 sheep this. But you see that one you know? Theme Brain, I upgraded version to Kevin. You understand? Yeah. My 2.036. You understand? That's how you see him focusing on the camera, you know. You see it, him well focused and with him attack. You see it, but this is a deadly sheep. Yeah man, deadly sheep this when him attack. You understand? But the thing is that him now, him not really, when him attack some of the time, it's like he might ask question but he might answer it and all of them look at thing there. You see me? Because when I talk, so them no love listening, at them Gaza sheep vlogger, yeah. We make them artists go down a road for go shame himself.
Zine, him go prison forward back. You see what I try to say? Artists out here do them thing, do road and all of them look at thing, you see me? And as the brother say, them want put down every artist for that man, yeah. You understand, which the man about 49, so I saw him time for ease back on every little thing, but it's like they might highlight him than any other artist right now. You see what I try to say? But me understand that because most of the artists in the dancehall bow down to him. You understand, I for show the respect and all of them little thing there. You see me? But this is the thing, people. This performance down at BVI is not where we want to see over the world. You understand? And if some people really look on this and say great performance, like we don't care about Vybz Kartel at all. It's not that like really care, but it's a fact that we don't see something where it's not there. This is like a karaoke business. You understand? Imagine that performance here. I go on all. Imagine that performance here. I go all some place where I really know Vybz Kartel. Imagine. You understand this not represent. You understand? And yeah, when you don't give him the kingship thing already. You understand? You see me? But based on all of them look at thing here, I say, yo, this don't even make no sense. Now I go take the greatness where him do. You understand? But you see, when you're out there, I hype up all of them look at something, I want to leave the artist to fail.
Yeah, me I say no. And that me I say, look, we no fear that, no bullbuck. Go for your army. Go for your army.
You understand? Because if you don't put it out there if you say, yo, him for do this exercise and all of them look at thing there. At them something I got him on stage, no voice, the man, no voice for talk. Sometimes I talk and I sing, this not look good. It not look good, people. Like, you really not care, you know? Guys, like, look there. It's like, when I perform, I sit down on stage. If you look at them elderly artists in Jamaica, none of you not see none of them sit down on the stage. For sure you say, yo, the man needs some workout and all of them look at thing there, brother. What am I going to do? When him go, alright, imagine I go do the show in a Brooklyn. So what am I going to sit down on stage in a Brooklyn? And then now we're not going to talk about bad mind and all of them look at thing here. The man need to sort out him thing, brother. Because at the end of the day, every artist in Jamaica represent dancehall. And we don't want to say every place the man go, the man sit down and all of them look at thing there. When you talk, people say you're bad mind. But it's like, we don't want the artist feel like that, we don't want. We don't really want the artist feel, you know. Because none of them no care. We don't prefer to tell the artist or influence the artist, say, yo, Ray, sort out this, sort out that. No, we don't want that. And when people talk the facts about the local situation and performance and everything, we don't want, we prefer to go cuss them than to go tell the artist what to do. And you see them two vlogger ya, what they on the thumbnail, them a wanna feel ya too. And them make them artists a feel because them come out and cuss people and all of them little things there. I never seen them encourage them artists to do this and perform and all of them little things there. You understand? And if you see a joke. Because if you don't continue like this, you know, it's gonna be shameful. You understand? Because now leave the artist to make him feel like say everything good. Because I see performance. You understand? I see the breathing control. One night time him there and him have the mic and him not say nothing. Nothing him not say. You understand? You can see the man tired and all of them little things there, brother. Yeah. We need to make the man straighten up and all like this bag of rum drinking. Yo, it's like we don't want the man. We don't want the man though. Fall down on stage and all of them look at something there. I that more know. Because if I saw now go continue with this, it not make no sense. You understand? And if not, and this is the thing, if this is not called performance, me no want know where real performance is. You understand? Because this is karaoke. Because if you check all of the artists that were followed up with Kartel in a theme time, Kartel not use no bands and all of them little thing there. No bands not use. I must say Kartel and no rapper and all of them little thing there. Chris Brown them and them people there. Dancehall and reggae thing, a bands with it. Presentation and all of them look something. And that are the reason why him can't get no voice training. Because when you do bands, you have to know how to express your voice and, you know, equalize it, you know, naturally and all of them look thing there. Him not gonna learn how to do it because him not use no bands. You see what I try to say? I when I part him up on BV and him I say, well, set me free and you hear the voice. I say, what? This I'm first show. Otherwise for him film show him having a Jamaica. And for sure you say it don't even look good. Imagine in first show out there and people say, yo, this is not really right. And too much people cannot tell a lie. Too much people cannot tell a lie. You understand? And the thing is that them hide something and make things look good, and them prep up PR stunt and all of them something to make everything look good. You understand? Which them not understand, them make the artist and mash up him thing because them not leave no room for improvement. They must say, yeah man, this do good when them know say it no good. Almost the whole of dancehall know say the man can't perform. Them know. But them prep it up. You understand? Because they want to push him for the genre. When him go out there and do interview in the world, they must say, yo, why him do the best interview? Ray, this, that. You understand? Everything at him do the best. Which, where's the evidence? You understand? Where's the evidence? You have other artists, when him fall from prison, right? They must say, yo, no other artists nah drop no song. I say, wait, okay. So that's why you see people, that's why you see back then, when him did around the place, artists did their job song and every little thing, but them just only highlight him alone. You see me? Only him alone them highlight. You see it? Now him forward the road, them do the same thing, but them not understand say you are failure thing. Because you got to prep up a man where you know really qualify for certain things when it comes to performance and present himself out there. You understand? Every time him perform, people have that. Why? This is the thing. Why when him perform, nobody can, like, people can say, yo, him do good or all of them look something. Because me no know what. Don't have BVI would call performance, you know. Because I set up an artist right now and them have a couple more shows, you know. I remember that. I remember say, and this is the thing with nothing thing. Right now, nothing take off the attention off of performance. That me I tell you no. Nothing take off attention off of the performance. Because if nothing never do that, nobody would not talk about nothing. They would have more focus on the performance. You see me? Nothing save him. And that me I tell you. You know what he stand up on the stage now? Me know him cause nothing or whatever. So when him go out there for do other shows, I want to know if nothing go always up on the stage. You understand? Because Da Vinci, they back up sick. That's why I say, he better carry Da Vinci all over the world with him shows them for help him. Because Da Vinci will help him as a backup singer. You see me? To me. So, all I know we talk. We not talk with no sense. You see what I'm trying to say? Because every day you get up, you say this, you say that. And now look on the reality of life. You understand? We're not supposed to tell a man, say, yo, do this and do that. Because you don't want to see something where I go make the thing look away. You know? You understand? That is the thing, you know, because you see when perform on the stage, boy, you know, people, nobody no want to see Kartel up on the stage and just break out. You understand? Because that's that different thing, you know. When a man stand up, you see the bag of drinking and all of them something there. You see when him up on the stage and him start stand up and all of them look something there, and heat and all of them thing there, a different moment that feel. And him now relax him voice and all of them look something there. So I try to say him now relax him voice. Him a pressure himself. Him a rush the thing and then know say yo, him not 100. So him do like couple minutes and boom, him pop down, him start sit down on the stage now. And sometimes I have to give him Vybz a break. Them not help him. Every time you see him a drink and all of them look at something there. Them not care. None of them Gaza vlogger, enough of them people, them not care about him. If them did care, them would have spend more time for training him, all the Vybz training and all of them something. That not did they. It a go just be a karaoke business. You see me? Be a karaoke business, this a go be. You see it? Yeah man, be a karaoke business. So him have some upcoming up shows, so we are gonna see. We are gonna see if there are going to be improvement. You understand? We are gonna see. You see it? Because some of the time man on the stage and to the amount of songs, you remember some of them. And that is the thing, them not track them thing, the list, the set of songs, like the songs them when I sing, the song them just now flowing in the right way. You understand? Him not really sing anything. You see it? No, he not really sing. Like if you pick that tune, I'm going way over there, so you understand? You have different segment, but it's like in those days all about. But people, you see, when you have a fire and you add more gas to it, everything will go burn down. And you see what them a try to do with Kartel, them a left him for fail. All them flag of them. No, me not see none of them encourage the thing or talk facts. Them just prefer to attack people. None of them not talk facts. Me see enough of them come and none of them not talk no facts. You understand? Them just use what go on and beat people who talk against it. You understand? But people, when they don't know, you know, media facts, you know. Yeah man, that is it.